Kids, let's learn how to make a sentence. This is ang. Can you say ang? Ang. Ang means the. This is I. Can you say I? Good job. I means is or are. Please subscribe for more learning videos. Let's continue. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Baka daga ha. Baka daga ha. Clap the sounds. Sing with me. Let's make sentence 1, 2, 3. Ang and I helps us make sentences. Ang bata ay masaya. Again, ang bata ay masaya means the child is happy. Ang bola ay malaki. Ang bola ay malaki means the ball is big. Ang aso ay mataba. Ang aso ay mataba means the dog is fat. Kids, it's your turn. Let's see. Ang bata ay masaya. Correct. Next. Ang bola ay malaki. Let's do a mini game. Who is happy? Yes, ang bata. Ang bata ay masaya. Next, what is big? Yes, ang bola. Ang bola ay malaki. Good job! Again, kids, ang means the, I means is or are, like ang bata ay masaya. Ang bola ay malaki. Ang aso ay mataba. Mahusay! Very good! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Awesome! Thank you for today, kids. See you next time. Please like and subscribe.